Alright, what's going on, y'all? So, another 1 vs 1 hacking match. I'm gonna do a few more of these, then I'm gonna move on to another mode, probably like online racing. Heard the racing is pretty fun. Let me catch up to this guy and tag him. Let me see. Let me go into hiding, see if there's... Ooh, look at that little alleyway right there. That's nice. I wonder where he's at, though. Do CTS scans even work online? I'm really not sure. Probably not in this mode. Where's this person at? Like, I don't even see him on the map. I don't want to move and then get detected. Even though I do want to move to it. Oh crap, there they are. Oh crap, I'm so gonna get busted. Oh crap. Alright, they run the other way. Okay. Get in the car. Oh crap, he delayed it. Jam. I can climb this just in case. See if there's anywhere else I can go. If he comes over here, it's pretty much done. Let me have that, get that blackout ready. I think I like to do blackouts around, you know, 70–80%. Oh crap, oh crap, wait. Let's do it right now. Do it right now, because they awfully close. Yeah, they mighty close right now. If they would have came around that corner, I would have just jumped over. Can they come around this back way? That would suck if they came up behind me. That would suck. Oh crap! Walked right past me! Oh. Such godlike moves! That blackout, ooh, that blackout! Oh my goodness, perfect. If that blackout would have came out any time sooner, wait. Oh goodness, I'm good. Woo! That was so godlike, so tense. In our next match, I got my godlike hiding abilities down. I don't want to act sus. Get out, hurry. Run. He's coming around the corner. I hate these daytime hackings. I hate these things. So much easier for them. That car right there kind of looks sus though. And I can't stay here too long, probably. Where's this dude at, though? There, yep, there he is. Oh crap! I need to get ready if I need a run. Oh crap! Yeah, he gonna check in next. Oh shoot! Wait. What a dummy! Oh, what a dummy! What a dummy! Oh, these people who play online are so blind. I'm so glad they're so blind because I would have got caught. Oh my goodness. And I was pressing the wrong button to jump to. Oh my goodness. So amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let me go back over here though. He already checked over here, so I doubt he's gonna come back. I hope I don't get pushed out the circle. I need to move up to that garbage can. All right, good. I'm still in. Crap. Yeah, just. Oh crap. No, bruh. Don't come over here. Good. Don't come over here. There ain't nothing over here for you. Oh crap. Damn. Oh crap, I gotta get away. Oh crap. Bad time to not have a car. How about that? Wow, I just went in a complete circle. I just realized that. Look at this fail. Come on. Gotta get a car. I'm out in the open now. Crap, I can't. He's right on top of me. Get out! You mad? Damn, he caught me in the last. I was in like the 90%. Oh crap. I was in 90%. So I'm like, damn, why he had to come back over here? I was giving him the moves though. I was giving him the moves for a minute. He was getting the moves from me. He was getting the moves. Like I did real good right there. He was getting the moves. All right, here we go. It's kind of far away. He's sticking in the alley on purpose. He's doing that on purpose. Yeah, he's doing that. He knows exactly what he's doing because he knows there's only a certain. If he's in the alleyway, there's only certain angles I can get him from, and then it'll be obvious. That's exactly why he's doing that. Oh, you little cheap bastard. Let me see if there's another. Oh wait, is there a camera in that alley? If there's a camera in that alley, then I can get him. Let me see. Let me get out. How did he profile? What? How did he profile me through Is there a camera out here? He must have accessed the camera. Hey, you crazy if you think you're gonna kill me though. I don't even see a camera out here. Dog. How about I run your dumb self over for doing that to me? You jerk. Freaking jerk. He ain't gonna catch up to me. Wait, oh, did he just get on a motorcycle? I think he might have just got on a motorcycle. Oh crap. Three, two, one. Doesn't matter.
Well, I think I can do better next time.
Yeah, he must just, yeah, he was smart. That's what you do. He stayed in the alley. He knew there was only like two entrances to that alley that someone could approach him from, and he probably used some camera to see me before I could use it to see him, you know. Okay, now I'm being invaded. All right.
Better find him fast.
Stupid. Bodied. He just came up. He just came up mad suspicious looking, just driving mad fast. It was a complete giveaway. Like no AI NPC in the game drives like that. That was just a complete giveaway. Just pull up right next to me. Really, bro? You could have been lower than that. You could have been way lower than that. Popped his tires, popped him right in the back. Chill. Chill, not. You're a novice. You're a rookie. You're not ready for this online hacking life.